guys, it's Isa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And finally, makaka-upload na tayo ng video. And for today's video guys, we are going to Puerto Galera. And nandito tayo ngayon sa Batangas Port kasi dito tayo sasakay ng ferry papunta sa Puerto Galera. And ayun lang guys, sorry kung medyo masama yung pakiramdam ko dahil nga kaka-beach natin to. So ayun lang, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video.
Hi everyone! So we have finally arrived here sa Puerto Galera guys, and sobrang init pero wala nagaanong tao kasi nakatatapos ang huli dito. Actually guys, yung biyahe namin was 2 hours. Hindi namin in-expect na ganun katagal pero okay lang, dead na basta makapag picture ganyan. So ngayon kakain muna kami since hindi pa kami makapag-check-in kasi 1 PM pa daw. So kakain muna kami, ikot-ikot, titingnan kung saan pwede mag-picture, gano'n.
Already 2:50 PM and guys, kaninang 1 kami nag-check-in and nagpahinga kami and nag-charge ng mga phone. Tapos ngayon guys, ang plano namin is magla-land tour lang, ganyan, picture kasi bukas yung mga water activities. So this is my outfit for today. Ayan. Actually guys, nasuot ko na to dati pa, matagal na to, pero gusto ko lang kasi yung itsura, tsaka pang beach talaga siya. So ayun, tapos tong bag guys, nabili ko lang siya dun sa tabi. Dito, 230 lang yan.
Pero nag-start kami mag-tour ng 3 PM and ang first namin is Tamaraw Falls, second is View Deck, and third, ito na yung Aplayang Muti guys. So nandito na kami, mag-picture lang kami guys and sinusulit lang namin yung natitirang time kasi late na din kami nag-start, so para lang may magawa kami today. So ayun lang, mag-picture na din ako and in-feel ko lang yung view. Kasi sobrang stress ako kaya need ko talaga tong break na to guys. So ayun lang.
What's the use of love if all it does is break my heart? What's the use of running around head over heels if all it does is tear me apart? 'Cause I couldn't get out if I tried, and I'm stuck here asking why. What's the use of love without you by my side? Strong. What's the use of love? I'm getting tired and I've had enough. What's the use if I know you're the one?
Hi guys, so it's already around 10:30 na ata and tumatambay lang ako dito guys, sila mama. May pinuntahan sila or bumalik na sila sa room. Gusto ko pa ma-feel yung area, ganun. So, naghahalo-halo muna ako dito. Mahal ng halo-halo guys, 150. Okay yan. Masarap yung labu. So, yun lang guys, tumatambay muna ako dito kasi gusto lang mag-feel. Hi guys, good afternoon. So, it's already around 2 na yata kasi nakatulog kami after mag-parasail guys. Parang sobrang napagod kami. So, ngayon, diba, sobrang gigising lang. Ngayon pa lang kami magla-lunch. Then, baka mamaya-maya maghahanap rin kami ng iba pang water activity. So, ayun lang.
Down on the Friday, I was meant to meet you at your mom's house, so I apologize. I got a pocket notebook, I'm nervous. Sometimes I run out of things to say, and it turns out you've got one too. And dinner's gone cold, I don't care. We talk till the morning. I've got no sleep 'cause you drive me wild. 'Cause I know one day we get out of happy house and wake you up for brunch when you're feeling worn out, and we just gotta keep on hanging on for now. So slow down, hold on tight now.
Okay guys, so lalakoy ulit tayo.
Soldier love.